I'm finna talk about how to start investing today for beginners. If you ever felt overwhelmed, like getting into the market and investing, I'm finna break it down and make it shit in most simple terms for you. First thing first, let's go over what investing actually is. Investing is putting your money into an asset like stocks, bonds, real estate, with the goal of the money growing over time. The key is to start small and stay consistent. Now let's talk about the basics to invest, what you'll need. For starters, you'll need a budget. Figure out what money you won't need immediately. Don't use any money that you need, bills or anything like that for. Use money that you're not gonna need. I would suggest money that's like in your savings account or something that's not gonna be touched. Next up, you will need to open a brokerage account. Open a brokerage account with like Chase, Robinhood for starters is something easy to get into. Webull, Cash App has a stock section. Your regular bank, they typically have brokerage accounts you can get into. And if not, you can download the app like Robinhood, which is easy, real easy to follow along, real easy to get into, real easy to understand. Next up you'll need to do is open your account and link your bank to your account. When you're starting to invest, a friendly tip is to focus on ETFs and index funds. These are like baskets of stocks, so you're not putting all your eggs into one basket. The S&P 500 index fund, such as SPY and I believe it's VOO, VOO or some shit, they invest in the top 500 companies in the United States. Another option is a total market ETF, like VTI, which invests across the entire market. Here are the 3 golden rules to beginning investing. 1, start small. Even $20 a month can grow over time. 2, think long term. The stock market goes up and down, but patience is key. And 3, stay consistent. Automate your investment so you don't have to think about it. You can put investments on auto pay, take like $5 out your account every month, and it'll invest it for you on certain apps. Well, most apps have that option now. It's 2025. Before we wrap things up, let's talk about stocks, individual stocks. To start off, you will want to pick companies that you already use, that you already believe in. Like, for instance, if you have an iPhone, buy into Apple. If you drive a Ford, buy into Ford. Companies that you know will stand the test of time, that's been around since you was a child, that's not going anywhere. McDonald's, Coca-Cola, stuff like that, you buy into that. You still need to do your research on the company. You still need to see what they have plans for, how they did over the past 5 years, how they did in the long run. You still need to do research, but just to start off, to be safe, pick companies that you already invest into. That you already use, my bad. Subscribe for more tips. I'ma be trying to be more consistent with this shit. I'm sorry, if I ain't been consistent. This school shit, man, in a way, Subscribe though. I'm back.